Want to drop a hint to that cutie you've been crushing on this Valentine's Day season? Why not try these adorable Conversation Heart Bath Bombs? They look just like the supersized version of the real thing, and they smell great too. Keep watching and like this video to join us for today's how-to. As with all bath bombs, we're going to start this recipe with our dry ingredients. This includes baking soda, citric acid, and kaolin clay. These make up the foundation of our bath bombs. With all of our dry ingredients combined, we'll set them aside and now we'll work with our wet ingredients. We'll be using sweet almond oil, polysorbate 80, and of course fragrance oil to help our bath bombs come together. The sweet almond oil will help the mixture stick, while the polysorbate 80 helps emulsify the oil into the bath water. I'm also using one of our all-time favorite fragrances, Love Spell. Stir the wet ingredients with a glass stirring rod and begin to drizzle into your bowl with the dry ones. Use gloved hands to work everything together, making sure the powders are fully saturated. When the mixture is about the texture of wet sand, split it up evenly into separate mixing bowls. I want my bath bombs to resemble those adorable little candies that are shared around Valentine's Day, so I'll be coloring them with pink, yellow, and blue lakes to achieve this look. Add a tiny bit of each lake into its respective mixing bowl and incorporate it using your gloved hands. You'll see the vibrant colors appear before your eyes. Make sure that you swap gloves between each bowl so you don't mix the colors. When all of our colors are mixed up, it's time to mold the bath bombs. For that, I'll be using a stainless steel heart-shaped mold. It works just like a regular round bath bomb. Loosely fill each side until it's overflowing, being careful not to pack the mixture down. Press the two sides together firmly and open it up to reveal your bath bomb. If you find that your bath bombs are having a hard time sticking together, give the mixture a couple sprays with isopropyl alcohol to keep it wet and sandy. Repeat this step with each color until you have an assortment of hearts. Place each of them on a drying rack, and now comes the best part. We'll be using some red mica powder dispersed in some isopropyl alcohol to paint little messages on the hearts. Dip a paintbrush in the mica isopropyl mixture and paint your messages of choice on your bath bombs. You can put just about anything on here, but we went with some classic Valentine phrases. Once all of your bath bombs have received their special little messages, they just need to dry. Give them 24 to 48 hours to dry and solidify depending on the humidity of your environment. After that, they can be enjoyed just in time for Valentine's Day. Each Conversation Heart Bath Bomb costs us just under $1 to make, meaning they can be sold wholesale from $1 to $3 or retail $4 to $8 depending on the fragrance and additives you use. Check out all of our other fun Valentine's Day how-tos that we've done this month for a whole line of romantic goodies. Be sure to tag us in any of our socials linked down below with any of your fragrance creation. We love seeing what you guys create. If you haven't already, subscribe and ring the bell icon to become a member of the notification squad and never miss an update from us here in the lab. Until next time, I'm Caitlin, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!